Did you know half of your bank charges go straight into their marketing budget? If you pay 300 Rand a month in bank charges, about 150 Rand pays for their billboards, these TV ads and flyers, and you have no choice, it's part of the deal. What if you could earn from that money? And here's the game changer. A financial services company realized the economy is tough and traditional ads don't work as good as they used to. So they created a system that pays you instead of spending millions on marketing. No selling, no recruiting, just sharing information. Reliable recurring income, no boss, no limits. They provide training and support so anyone can build a monthly income from this smart system. Want to learn how? Comment freedom below and I'll send you my free blueprint to start your journey today.